Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you the most powerful strategy for growing out your hair. Even with short hair, it works amazingly, guys. I'm maryamkapama, natural hair superstar. I do DIY videos on how to grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous, guys. So be sure to subscribe and click the bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload, especially in the weekends, guys. Okay? Yeah, and also be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed by clicking the red button that says subscribe, guys. But if you're my regular go ahead and like this video, and of course don't forget to follow me in the gram, guys. NandyKB. The star of the show, we have the natural ingredients which are really safe to use on your hair, which are the fenugreek seeds and of course the neem powder, guys. These two are the game changer, guys. This combo will grow your hair amazingly, guys, because it's designed to grow out your hair. First of all, I'm going to grind these fenugreek seeds into powder so they fit in making so they infuse better in the making of this oil, guys. And the neem powder, guys, I have made this myself. I'll leave a video down below and up in the card so you also get to see how I make this powder. Also, if you're not going to do all the making of these ingredients, just go ahead and visit any Indian store and they will have these ingredients for you, the neem powder and the fenugreek seeds. Just go grind them to make a powder. Next ingredient will be using the oil, guys. I'm using sweet almond oil because I have a low porosity and it works best with my hair. You can use any oil that works best for you, my superstar. Go ahead and use any oil that works best for you, because here I'm going to teach you to make what works best for you. If coconut oil is for you, go ahead and use that. If grapeseed oil or avocado oil, just go ahead and use the oil that works best for you or you have access to. I'm going in with 4 teaspoons of neem powder in a big mixing bowl that I'm going to be using to infuse this oil and the powders. And I'm also going in with the similar amount of 4 teaspoons of fenugreek powder that I just grinded to make this powerful Ayurvedic hair growth oil, guys. So I'm going in with a full cup of sweet almond oil. Go ahead and use your whatever works for you, whether it's castor oil, go ahead and use that, guys. Okay, mix everything evenly, and this combo, I'm telling you, you'll come and thank me later, because the mixer of fenugreek and neem is really potent. Because first of all, neem is packed with protein, with calcium, with phosphorus, with vitamin C, with carotene, with fatty acid and amino acid, guys. All these are big building stones for growing out the hair, guys. Yeah, so just put a towel in a pot so you don't break your mixing bowl, guys. Okay, this towel will help you a lot with the heat. So put the water on the stove and boil it for at least 30 minutes. Let the water boil and it will definitely have impact on the bowl. When everything is boiled, let it to cool down for a good 1 hour or even longer. Just let it cool down, guys. You don't want to burn yourself. Then use a bandana like I'm doing. Fold it at least 4 times because these particles of neem powder and of course of fenugreek powder, you will need something stiff to strain. So if you're going to use cheesecloth, go ahead and use anything, but just be careful they don't go through. Okay, also let's go back to the benefits of using this neem powder to your hair. It's going to treat head lice, guys. It's going to reduce dandruff and minimizes gray hair, and it's also going to smoothen the frizz and of course going to condition your scalp. Hence it's going to promote healthy hair. Of course, happy scalp equals to happy hair growth, guys. Next, I'm going in with this regular hair conditioner that I'm about to boost it to the next level, to a pro deep conditioner, guys. Use any conditioner that works for you. I'm going in with this conditioner. This is a avocado deep conditioner, but I'm just adding this potent Ayurvedic oil that are just made of neem and fenugreek to take this deep conditioner to the next level, guys. So I'm going in with a reasonable amount of the oil and mixing it thoroughly, guys. Okay, neem is amazing, guys. It's going to treat all the scalp condition because of the phosphorus, because of the keratin. It's going to stimulate insane hair growth, guys. So if you want volume in your hair, just include neem in your hair routine and you're going to experience an insane hair growth. Just find a way to use this after every wash day. Okay, if you're getting values, please go ahead and smash the like button, because why not, guys? Okay, sure that you're enjoying this video, guys. Let me just get those thumbs up going up. Yeah, so fenugreek is amazing as well. It's going to fight dandruff, it's going to promote hair growth, it's going to prevent premature growing of the hair. It's also going to promote shiny hair because fenugreek has protein, has fibers, has carbs, has iron, manganese, magnesium, and a lot of other nutrients, guys, which are essential for hair growth and hair strengthening, guys. Okay, so these properties are going to strengthen your hair and hence you're going to avoid hair fall, guys. Application time, everybody. Application time. Yeah. Thank God for this voluminous hair you're seeing here, because I'm using neem for a very long time. I have a whole neem playlist here. I can leave it down below and of course in the cards. But also I just want to tell you, when you're applying this deep conditioner, just go ahead and section your hair, tiny little section, and apply it, guys. You see how the hair soaks that deep conditioner. Make sure you are working on damp hair, guys. The key is to work on damp hair so that the hair can absorb the treatment, guys. My hair was cleaned from a wash. If you have seen my previous pre-poo video, if you haven't, I'll leave it down in the card so you see how I amazingly pre-poo my hair. And of course I'm operating on clean hair, guys, here, because I'm about to go in with a long-term protective style. As you already know, we are in a hair growth challenge. If you don't know, then that's now you know. So let me know down in the comments by using hashtag hairgrowth2023, and let me know if you are joined the hair growth challenge or if you're facing any challenges, so we can walk through, guys. Okay, yeah, I'm repeating the same procedure in all the section, moisturizing the section, then applying the deep conditioner thoroughly, then making sure each hair is coated, and of course detangling the hair, guys. Okay, Yeah, repeating the same procedure in the rest of my hair, just like that, guys.
Survival.
Growing out natural hair is a big flex, guys. Jaman, I'm enjoying my hair. I'm enjoying my hair so much. Look at the afro. The afro is giving. The afro is afroing. The hair is growing. Just let me share you a moment, because looking at my hair growing to this huge afro of this shape, I just give praise to the Most High, because God is the greatest, is doing miracles on my hair. Learn to pray for your hair as well. It's a pro tip as well.
Cause this your milky for fronting for me.
up to seal in the moisture. That being said, I'm going to see you on the video on the screen, and until next time guys, bye bye.